Hey guys, in this video I'm sharing for your bike perfect tire size information for you. Hi guys, welcome to Tire Info YouTube channel. Now you can see on your on screen left hand side your bike model. You can confirm the your bike image through the model. You can confirm after the your right hand side blinking bike model. In bottom you can see the your bike model number or information. Once again you can confirming bike image and bike model. This is your bike or not, you can confirming after. You can check the your tire size details on screen. Now you can see on the screen your bike tire size information. Tire sizes, your front tire and rear tire. Front tire means front wheel information. Rear tire means back tire information, back side wheel tire size information. In this video I am providing tire size and wheel size information. I hope this video for your tire replacing useful for you. My guess you like the video. Thank you guys. Don't forget the subscribe button. Please share your friends, anyone need this type of information, please share the video. Hey guys, any doubts please comment in below. Thank you once again. Thank you guys, thank you for the watching. If any doubts please comment in below, I can replay. Thank you guys, thank you for the watching. Bye bye.